scoot over, it's freezing.
Has anyone ever told you that you have appalling taste in music?
Wait, I have incredible taste in music, thank you very much. What's wrong with it?
Oh. Now that's what Jake calls music 86. Fatty, fatty, boom, boom.
That's my inspirational jogging mix. Do you like to jog?
Yep.
Do you want to see the harbour glimpse?
The what?
The glimpse of the harbour. Come on.
Okay.
The harbour glimpse.
I can't see it.
But you gotta squint. You gotta turn your head like this and squint. Now can you see it?
No.
You know, I can make you one. A mixtape. If you want.
Okay. So anyway, so I get to the school, I'm there, Jan's there, and I ask the headmistress what he said that's so bad. And before she gets a chance to respond, James pipes up and says, she's an angry old dragon. No, it's not funny. It's your fault. You always say that about Mum, so...
Speak of the dragon.
Oh, don't answer it. I'm not in the mood.
Oh, come on, Xanth, it's funny. Just forget it.
Well, you're good at that. Hmm? You forgot what day it is.
Oh, no. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, you're right. I'm a terrible husband. And I'm terribly forgetful,
Okay.
but I did eventually make you one. Happy anniversary, honey.
I don't suppose you have it on CD.
Hey, you don't push your luck, okay?
Remember the first time you told me that you loved me? Fall asleep on my sofa and you were listening
I did not.
to my Walkman and you said, I love you, Jack Clarkson.
But you were the first to say it. It was that night on the
Roll
Opera House
off
steps.
the sofa.
We were drinking wine out of a brown paper bag and you brought plastic cups. And there was that busker, and she was singing David Cassidy songs. And you turned to me and you said, I think I love you.
They were the lyrics, so it doesn't count.
Neither does sleep talking. Now I'm going to the bathroom. And we'll finish this when I get back, Clarky. Jake, you're back. Where have you been?
Went out for a walk.
Do you remember Frank Katz?
Yeah.
Got in touch today. Wants to be my friend.
Get a little flutter when his name popped up.
It's all right. He'll never compete with you, Clarky. I still love you.
What you listening to?
I just made a new playlist on this. I could show you how to make one later. You know, if you want.
I like that a lot.
But I'm choosing the music. You have appalling taste in music.
Boy.
But they were the lyrics, so it doesn't count.
Neither does sleep talking. Now I'm going to the bathroom.